Hey, this is Haris from Team Android, and this here with me is the all-new Realme 3 phone. This is a successor to the popular Realme 2, which was a big success for a company that was founded earlier this year. This latest flagship model offers similar features with great specs at a very affordable price. This unit I have with me is the higher-end version that comes with 4GB RAM and 64GB storage. If you think the storage is not enough, you can further expand it with a micro SD card. In this video, we're going to do a full unboxing of this phone and check out all the stuff that comes inside the box. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into it. As you can see here right next to me is the Realme 2 Pro box. The packaging of Realme 3 is very similar to the 2 Pro. In fact, all the phones by Realme have a very similar box design. One important point here is that this unit I have comes with the MediaTek Helio P60 processor. However, the global variant of this device has the P70 processor. This change was done to bring this phone at a very low price point without affecting much of the performance. So let's take off the wraps now. And here we go. So the packaging is like exactly the same as the 2 Pro one. Here we have the user manuals and a free case inside the box. Exactly, yeah. This is something I really like these days with new devices. They all come with a case inside, so you can protect your new purchase right from the very first day. So yeah, there's this important information guide, a quick guide. I don't think anyone reads this anymore. This is a case, yeah. So let's keep this aside. We just put it here. Next we have is this is the phone. No, yeah, the color variant I have with me is this gorgeous blue color. The gradient body color looks fresh and amazing. We're looking at a brand new unibody design with gradient colors at the back that just looks gorgeous. The phone comes in 3 different colors. This is the blue one. Then there's a dynamic black color with a slight purple touch to it, and a classic black color as well. The battery size on this phone is over 4200 mAh, which is, I think, a lot more than most of it needs. That should easily give you maybe more than a day's of usage, or maybe 2 days or 3 days for some people. The cameras at the back have also received an upgrade in the Realme 3. They now come with a dedicated night mode called Nightscape for taking better pictures at nighttime. And to further improve the image colors and performance, Realme has introduced something called Chroma Boost. We'll get to that later in a full review, but let's see what else comes inside the box. Just a card. Yeah. This is the charging brick. I'm not sure if the phone comes with quick charging. I think it does. We'll follow up that in our full review. Here's the micro USB cable. There are no earphones with this phone. You'll have to get something else from outside. So yeah, this is pretty much it that comes inside the box. I think overall this seems like a great package and a great value for money. To further test it properly, we'll take a few days to use this device and do a full review of the Realme 3. See, the color looks just gorgeous. I'm already a fan of this phone. Do let us know what you think of this phone, and maybe you could win one of these very soon. We're planning a giveaway right after a review. So stay tuned, follow us, and you'll know more details about this. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to press the like button and hit subscribe so you don't miss out our future videos. So till then, see you guys later. Bye.